Imagine there's water damage on a wall. What can you do? Select the wall, open its info panel, and tap Add New Area. This will switch you to the elevation view, where you can drag and resize the area to match the actual affected section of the wall. Tap Done in the upper right corner to save it. You can also change the area's color. In this example, we'll use blue to represent water damage, but you can use any color coding system that works best for you. The adjacent wall is affected as well, so we'll repeat the same process. Add a new area and resize it to match the damaged section, and change its color to the same shade of blue. Next, we'll add an affected area in the adjacent room, since the wall we first highlighted is damaged on both sides. Finally, we'll repeat the process one last time for the remaining damaged wall. If you'd like to learn how to mark an affected area on the floor, check out the video linked below.